How to fix Facebook you can't comment right now problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will just open settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps or applications, then you will scroll down and search for your Facebook apps. Then you will find it, just open it like this and go to storage, and on storage go to the top of the screen or to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.